Congratulations, you are now an agency owner. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few important points. At the beginning, things may feel a little strange as you are building your team and assigning them work. Because as a freelancer, you are used to working long hours every day. But now, it might only take you an hour in the morning to assign tasks to your developers and another hour in the evening to review their work. That shift can feel uncomfortable. You may even feel empty or anxious because most of your day is suddenly free. And there will be times when you feel the urge to do small tasks yourself. But you must control that urge. Remind yourself that you are building a team and delegating is part of the process. Learn to use your free time productively. Focus on business development, your personal projects, your health, reading, or increasing your knowledge. Do not spend your time wandering without purpose. It may take a while to adjust to this new routine, but once you see how much freedom delegation gives you, you will start to truly enjoy the process. Later, you can even hire a manager to oversee everything. They can act as a messenger between clients and developers. One of your senior developers might even grow into that role. And when your income becomes stable and predictable, you may choose to open an on site agency. You can hire full time employees, pay them in local currency to reduce costs, and run a hybrid model. Or you may decide to use that free time to build products while your service business covers your expenses. The possibilities are endless. I wish you the very best of luck and I hope to see you another video series soon. And if you still have questions about running remote agencies, you can book a consultation with me. You will find the link in the video description along with many of my free resources. See you soon.